Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset in order to remove screen lock on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, just tap on the power key to do it, and then select power off. As only your device is switched off, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both of them all together until you are in boot mode. So here you are in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using the volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So you have to pick recovery mode, which is the first tab, and then click on volume down key to select recovery mode. Once you see the Android logo, just tap on power key and then hit volume up key once. And here it is, Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and down keys and use power key for selection. So let's go down to wipe data factory reset, click on power key and then go to yes, in order to confirm that you would like to remove all user data. And now just wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, data wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. Smoothly click on power key and wait until you are back in the normal mode with no screen lock info. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock the device with no lock screen included. You can customize your phone, set it up, change wallpaper, add some contacts, add Google account or whatever you would like to do. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.